Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another tutorial. How are you all doing today? I pray inshallah each and every one of you is keeping well, trying to cope with your daily lives and making the best of it. Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. Well, welcome to my channel, Hijabz&You and me. Today I want this to be the most fastest tutorial that I ever do, and I want to be done within a few minutes. No talking, no back and forth, no carrying on, because it's a very easy look today, and I want it to be short and sweet, and for you to really see how easy it is to use a hijab, and how really easy it is that every day there's sisters out there who are making it so much easier for us sisters that wear the hijab. They create these beautiful pieces that makes it easy for each one of us, and it's so simple. Today I'm wearing something that's I'm wearing something that's called an instant scarf, and it's simple. That's what it is, instant scarf, and it's exactly as its name. It's instant. You just you just have to pull it on and you're ready to go. So that's what we're going to do today. So let me take you right into this video and show you how I got this really beautiful. It's a beautiful look. It's casual. It could be even dressy, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. You know, black is beautiful. It's like, look at this. This black color is absolutely beautiful on here, and I love it. Love it. You could use it every single day on any one of your outfits, and it will work great for you. So let me show you how I got this beautiful, elegant look, simple look, but beautiful. Stay with me. Well, my dear viewers, I do have on my ninja, and I'll explain to you why I do that. Is because, see that? My top has got a bit of an opening there. So whether my hijab is sitting here, it's higher or lower, I just want to make sure that that is covered. And this ninja works perfectly for that. And so, getting right into our tutorial today, this is the scarf. It's already pre-made. That's why it's called an instant scarf. And one side is longer than the other side. And exactly as it says, it's going to be instant, and that's what we're doing. Giving you the instant look instantly, and so you could be out in 2 minutes, not even. Just hold it there, put it under your neck, pull it on. See that? It's already set. If you want to wear, you can wear an underpiece with it. You can wear it without an underpiece. I've got my ninja on because of my coverage, and I want to make sure that I'm always covered. This here, this is the shorter side. All we do is we set it nicely so it sits nicely in the front. And then we take the other one and very loosely, we're going to pull it across the back and pull it in the front. And all you're doing is making sure when you're pulling it, you're not pulling it here tight. It's already set up there, so you don't have to worry about pins or anything. It's stitched. And you pull that over here, and you are ready to go. Absolutely beautiful. That's why it's called an instant scarf. See that? Instantly. And you are ready to go. And you just set that up nicely. You make your folds, your pleats. You have it sit nicely in front. And there, my dear viewers, we are absolutely ready to go. And we've got coverage, and we don't have to worry about anything. No pins is required. It's really the most beautiful creation for a hijab. It's just instant. So I hope you like that. Really, take a good look at it. How is that? Isn't that beautiful? Well, my dear viewers, like I said, I hope you like that. And if you do, please hit the like button. And do share it with your friends and family so they can benefit from these tutorials as well. And you know what? If someone is trying to wear the hijab and thinking that, oh my God, it's so difficult to wrap, or oh, I won't be able to manage the pins or whatever, this is the perfect referral you can do for someone trying to use the hijab or wants to use the hijab. And you would have done yourself a really the most blessed thing you could do for yourself is to encourage someone to put the hijab on, or give them, show them a way to make it easier for them if they're looking to do it. So share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know the drill. Just hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and just tick off all so you can get all my uploads. And for now, I am uploading every day. So I hope you're enjoying the platform. I do thank you for your love and your support. For all of you that are with me on this journey, thank you, thank you, thank you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless each and every one of you for helping me to build this so that we can all benefit from it. Until we meet again, do stay safe, take care of yourselves, and make the best of every moment. This is Naz saying Assalamu Alaikum.